everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price update based on Elliott wave analysis. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates and drop your questions and comments below. I would be glad to answer it. So starting with Bitcoin on the 1 hour chart, this is a short update it's only for the 1 hour and the 15-minute chart. As we can see here, after having several 1-2s, we are moving towards the upside and we have reached a top almost, and which this top is even less than the all-time high with $300. And that means we have definitely took the 886 here, and definitely we are gonna take the all-time high soon or later. Of course, we're gonna see this a little bit outside, but after what I explain what's going on here. After this top, we are looking possibly to an A here, where you are looking for A, B, and a C. Your B is a triangle, very choppy, and then in another ABC as an A, of course your B is also a choppy wave. However, what you are looking finally now possibly is an A, B, and a C as a zigzag, or it can be a WXY. Because now your WXY, of course, these are uncommon target for a wave Y here. As you can see, most commonly your wave Y would finish here. However, it can extend to those uncommon target. However, they are much more target for a zigzag, right? Where a zigzag can reach even with an extended flat here, with an extended wave C, the 1.618. However, these are the 50 levels that we reached so far, and of course the wave C can even reach a little bit more. It can even touch the 1.38. Now, if we take the fib level taken from this trend 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, we already passed the 2.618 taken from the start here till the 1, and of course to the base point. We already passed. It's a very, very massive drop towards the downside actually. And as you can see, we have just a bottom on the 0.38 fib level, which is a minimum requirement for a wave 2. And by all means, is it possible that we are in this scenario that we talked about it today in the morning in 1, and then wave 2 in 3 waves, and hitting the minimum requirement at 0.38 and then moving up? So that it could be very, very possible. Now, of course, unless we see very, very low prices or more lower prices, that would put a question mark, of course, in that case, because looking at directly higher or lower prices and a bigger impulse towards the downside directly, that means somehow a structure has ended here somehow, where you possibly finished somehow here in this area as, I don't know, A, B, and a C, and then A, B, and a C possibly. However, but this doesn't look finished. You still need one structure, and therefore, I was saying that it could be even differently as an A, B, and a C finished already here, and this is your start of your impulse. So it could be that we move, of course, higher, and then we move even for lower prices. That means a bearish scenario. Okay, guys? Bearish scenario until, of course, we reach those fibs in the green box. If we reach those fibs in the green box and then we move up, therefore, of course, this might be, okay, your wave 3, and as a 1-2 continuation towards the upside, massive wave 3 towards the upside. In that case scenario only, I can call, of course, a wave 2. If we break those fib levels and we move to the 886, therefore the possibility of moving higher is very, very low, and we are moving, of course, lower for a diagonal finish potentially, and we are looking for a massive wave 2 towards the downside. So those are the readings so far. Now we are under test of a bullish test scenario, where we are looking for 1, 2, and then possibly continuation towards the upside, getting the all-time high that we are very close to it. As you can see, this is your all-time high here, taken, of course, from the highest point. Look how much close we are. So definitely we took the 886, guys, and yeah, we're gonna take it sooner or later, right? Soon or later, it's gonna be taken. And the one more scenario that we talked about it, is this a 1-2? This is the question. If this is a 1-2, now of course this impulse looks very weird, and it looks like a zigzag, and it looks like anything but not like a impulse. Therefore, yeah, very low possibility that this is a 1-2, because I see it as WXY, and we start here our impulse towards the upside after finished structure. However, if we are already a wave 1 here, therefore you are looking, of course, for wave 2 and then continuation towards the upside. In case you are 1-2, therefore you are looking for 4 and a 5. However, the wave 5 might only take the all-time high and then move down again. All right. However, low possibility, higher possibility for a 1-2, to be honest, because yeah, I know it might sound like 100K scenario I'm talking here, which the one that I mentioned in the morning. That yeah, if we get this, let me remove everything just to make it clearer. If we get higher prices, we are in 1-2-1-2, yeah, and that might be your 1-2 of your wave 3, which it should be very massive, guys. Okay, so if you are in a wave 3 here, very massive wave 3, where you want to, of course, break all these FETCH levels, right? Towards the 100K, the 74. If we are in this massive wave 3 after this triple 1-2 here, you are looking inside your wave 3 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Without 5 waves, it doesn't work, and because it should be impulsive and it should be very, very volatile, your 0.38 FETCH level might be your your perfect target for a wave 2. Okay, because moving deeper in a very volatile wave 3 towards the upside, that is the last thing Bitcoin would do. Okay, based on the history and on the character of Bitcoin, this is the last thing Bitcoin would do. The 0.38 would be even a very nice FIB level, because normally even Bitcoin hits the 0.23 in this case and move even much higher. However, this gives us a little bit much more indications that this might be a wave 2 and not even a wave 4. Taken from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Because anyway, if we got a wave 5, guys, the wave 5 is gonna take this price, possibly, because we're gonna take the high definitely, and therefore we're gonna, of course, take this price. If we take this price, then we have invalidate our diagonal, and therefore we are in triple 1-2s. And if you have finished here, okay, therefore okay, then you need another 1-2, and then yeah, you need another wave 2, because you have finished your wave 4-5 here, right? So yeah, everything possible. I mean, wave 5, then go with wave 2, yeah, shallow 1, and then continuation. So this is what I'm saying, guys. If we move higher, which is much more potential as we saw on the 1 hour chart, because we are still looking at 3 waves toward the downside, which looks very corrective and very zigzag shape. Yeah, and this impulse, if we look also on the 15-minute chart a little bit closer to see what's going on. So if I want to label this, if I want to label this, of course, this is your ABC. Now your ABC, that means this is your 1, this is your 2, 3, and possibly 4, 5. I doubt it, because your wave 4 is very, very shallow, and I believe that this wave 4 still related to your internal impulse, okay, which is the very shallow wave 2 here that you can see as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, so that might finish your wave 3, and then now you are still working possibly on on a bigger wave 5. So therefore, I would consider this only for your wave 3. Your wave 4 still need to be reached, and possibly that we still need a wave 5. unless your bearish scenario is that you already started your counting from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, finished impulse, and then wave 2, and then moving down towards lower prices. So that's it for Bitcoin, and I hope that you like it. If you did, please press the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for the channel if you didn't yet. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.